Well, it's increased the capacity from us having the 20,000 to now adding to the portfolio with a 25,000 press. We've basically doubled our capacity. That's one of the main benefits to the business. And then we've also adding new products also to the range for Ren-Flex. So yeah, we're going into flexible packaging, pouches, bags, that sort of thing, and we're also gonna increase our capacity for in-mold labels.
The press is really designed for flexible packaging, and with Ren-Flex, one of their main product lines is IML printing, so in-mold labels. And more recently they've got involved with pouches and that space. So the press is really flexible in the sense of types of media that it can run. We also have 7 color stations with spot colors, security features, all sorts of things that can be added to the print if needed. One of the big features of the press is obviously the frame size. You're looking at a frame size of 746 by 1120 millimeters, so you can get nice size prints up on it. You can go narrow as well, obviously. It has an ILP unit as well, obviously, to treat the material, to get it ready for the ink adhesion, etc. You can literally print on any sort of media that you can pre-coat on the press. It doesn't have to be flexible packaging, it can be all materials. You can do cardboard, you can do labels. So the press is pretty versatile. Okay, so just in relation with the press, we've got the unwinding unit over here. You can see the arm that obviously you can lift the media up with. It's very easy to use for one person to help load the media. It comes into an ILP unit where we have a dryer, obviously. We have a station to coat the media. Bit of a buffer system with inside the ILP as well. Then we come into the main part of the press, which is the engine. Okay, so internally what you've seen there is 7 binary inking devices which are effectively passing each color onto the photo imaging plate, which has an image that's been driven from the laser onto the plate, and you have a real offset process, because from the plate it transfers it to the blanket where the image is loaded and then passed directly onto the media between that and the impression roller. So very similar to offset, and the reason why you get the great quality from an Indigo compared to other technologies that are out there. Following that, we've got obviously the workstation for the operator, as well as an inspection station for the operator to check any labels. But some of that's one of the key areas, obviously. Some other nice features that are built into the 25K is something called Spotmaster. It's a new product where you can basically reach any Pantone within a couple of minutes, either by entering lab values or letting the press determine those values. So from an environment perspective, cut down on waste, on material, inks, etc., etc.